Leaf Stopper! Leaf Stopper! Your home today!
Leaf Stopper provides a long-term solution for leaf and gutter management and protection. There are many reasons why you should leaf stopper your gutters. Keep out leaves, pests, and prevent blockages, so your gutters and downpipes stay clean and unblocked. Avoid dangerous gutter cleaning situations. Weekends are for doing what you enjoy and not risking your life on the roof cleaning filthy gutters. Prolong the life of your gutters, saving you money in the long run from costly gutter repairs. Extra bushfire and ember protection, potentially saving your home and saving family lives. Lower risk of internal water damage, so you can have peace of mind during heavy rainfall. How does it work? Leaf Stopper covers your gutters and roof valleys to keep out leaves and debris, so water can be efficiently channeled away from your home. Leaf Stopper is designed to attach the mesh shield to the front lip of the gutter and then to the top of your tile or metal roof, leaving no gaps for leaves. The aim is to enable the leaves to be blown away naturally. Leaf Stopper components are fastened with screws, not stuck or glued to the surface. Our metal roof solution does not require silicone, which can be a contributing factor to the buildup of silt and dust. With simple care and maintenance, you'll enjoy many years of Leaf Stopper protection. Leaf Stopper provides 5 systems to suit different roof types. Tile Guard incorporates patented interlocking trimmets to secure the mesh shield to the gutter edge. The other end is secured by tucking it under the second row of tiles. Additionally, Tile Guard is very effective at stopping leaves from entering your valleys. Corrugated suits one of Australia's most popular metal roof profiles. Along with the patented trimmets, our Corro saddles firmly hold the mesh shield to the top of the roof rib. Deck 762 is a system designed for a common flat-based metal roof profile and utilizes the deck saddle. It specifically suits deck roofs with an effective cover of 762 mm and rib height of 29 mm, matching the design shown. Deck Guard is an all-purpose solution for all flat-based metal roofs. The patented Grip It bracket, with its distinguishable claws, creates a strong grip and an excellent result. ComGuard is an internal box gutter solution consisting of the patented Clamper strip and Grip It bracket. Clamper strips are mounted at one end and the Grip It brackets are mounted at the other. The mesh shield is available in 3 different mesh types and can be used in all 5 systems. Leaf Stopper can be purchased as kits as a do-it-yourself option, or alternatively, save yourself the hassle and have it installed for you. All the options and a lot more information are available on the Leaf Stopper website. Why Leaf Stopper? In 2005, these owners in New South Wales installed Leaf Stopper on their home. After a devastating bushfire in 2013, it remained standing, while other homes were destroyed. We have been providing gutter guard solutions since 1995. In 2005, we introduced the first aluminium diamond-shaped mesh shield for gutter guards in Australia. Since that time, we have maintained a leading innovative role with tens of thousands of Aussie homeowners trusting Leaf Stopper. Our grade of aluminium, quality of powder coating and design components are exclusive to Leaf Stopper, making Leaf Stopper unmatched. To get the real deal, make sure to ask your provider, is it Leaf Stopper? So for peace of mind and to avoid cleaning out leaves, Leaf Stopper your gutters.
Leaf Stopper! Leaf Stopper! Your home today!